Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a recorded audio and CapCut special for PC. Alright, so it is super simple. We're just going to select the video or just photos that you have updated. And to add a recorded audio, we're just going to click the microphone or just record icon here. Just click and just click the right button to start recording, and you can turn on the EQ reduction, and you can mute project, and you can change for the volume output, and then you can, so for example, click start. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you. Alright, so here's the recorded audio. Disappears behind the clip, and you can listen that. So you can change for the volume, and you can add padding and pad out effect. You can turn on for the noise reduction, and you can add the voice effect here. Just turn on it and select the effect you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.